Okay, let's dive right into this. Welcome to today's explainer, everyone. If you're a focused professional looking to make a massive career pivot, or, maybe you just want to stand out in a ridiculously competitive job market by becoming fully AI fluent, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're breaking down the whole shebang, the Google AI Professional Certificate. We're going to look at how this program is literally designed to take you from someone who just casually plays around with artificial intelligence to a highly capable AI professional. It's all about shifting that career trajectory and getting the exact, hands-on skills that hiring managers are basically begging for right now.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the vital mindset shift it highlights. It's about moving way beyond what we might call the warm-up. Look, maybe you've already asked an AI to help you draft a quick, per my last email message. Or maybe you've used it to summarize a painfully long document. And hey, that's a nice time saver. It's a great small win. But the critical question here is, what if that small win is literally just the tip of the iceberg? The true goal we're talking about is treating AI as a professional collaborator. This is where you discover what's truly possible when AI stops just being a simple tool you occasionally open up in a new tab, and instead becomes an integral part of a totally new way of working. This is absolutely the exact transformation you need to make to successfully transition into dedicated AI roles.
And honestly, the best part? This entire process isn't just some boring abstract theory. When you go through this program, you aren't just sitting there passively listening to lectures. No way. You are actually getting hands-on practice, applying AI directly to your actual job and your daily workflows. And at the end of this journey, you earn a tangible, employer-recognized certificate straight from Google. Think of it as a massive, glowing signal to potential employers that you have officially moved beyond that warm-up phase and that you possess validated, highly practical experience.
So how does this actually build up your daily toolkit? Well, the core skills taught in this program, these are exactly what career switchers need to highlight in bold on their resumes. You're going to learn how to not just generate ideas, but actually evaluate them and turn them into concrete plans. You'll learn to build presentations that genuinely resonate by bringing in engaging images and video. Get this, you'll literally learn to code a functional app to help you at work using just text prompts. You'll analyze data to pull out those vital insights that drive real decisions. And of course, you'll get routine tasks done way, way faster. If you want to jump off the page to a hiring manager, this is the exact checklist of workplace AI adoption skills they are desperately looking for.
To really give you a sense of the real-world vibe and just the immediate impact of this training, listen to this direct reaction from a learner. This has been a game changer for me. And they shared this specifically when talking about generating ideas, evaluating them, and successfully turning them into a rock-solid plan. It really highlights that deeply personal and professional empowerment that comes from mastering these tools. I mean, it changes the game because you are no longer just staring at a blank, intimidating page, right? You have a dedicated professional collaborator right there helping you strategize from step one.
So, the crucial point is, how do these flashy technical abilities actually translate into bottom-line business value? Let's break it down. Coding an app via prompts directly impacts the business because it allows you to literally spin up a full, useful application incredibly fast. Analyzing data, that isn't just about reading spreadsheets full of numbers. It's about extracting the actual insights required to make truly informed, strategic business decisions. And building presentations isn't just about making your slides look pretty. It's about creating engaging visual assets that actually resonate with your team and get everyone totally aligned. Employers don't just want you to know how to use AI, they want you to drive these specific, measurable business impacts.
I actually want to pause here for a second because this is truly astonishing. We made a full app quickly. Just take a moment to think about the sheer speed of AI adoption that statement represents. You are jumping from writing a couple of simple text prompts to actually deploying a fully functioning application that you and your colleagues can use at work. That is mind-blowing. This level of rapid creation that used to require an entire team of specialized developers and months of planning. Now, with the right AI fluency, it's something you can direct and execute yourself. It's just a completely new paradigm for workplace productivity.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Making a career change into a technical field can feel super intimidating. But the great news here is that you are absolutely not doing this alone. Throughout this certificate program, Google experts will gracefully guide you at every single step. You are getting your training and your stamp of approval directly from the folks who are literally at the very forefront of artificial intelligence. They're going to teach you the exact methods and best practices required to master these workplace skills and to do it safely and effectively.
So I want you to ask yourself right now, are you ready to learn the AI skills that employers are actually looking for? Because this entire explainer really boils down to this one crucial question. If your goal is a serious career change into an AI role, or even if you just want to become the most forward-thinking professional in your current department, you have to bridge that gap. You have to move from casual, everyday use to true professional collaboration. And this certificate provides the exact, structured path to help you become that highly employable, certified AI professional.
We'll wrap up our explainer today with this really powerful final thought from the program. AI is ready to work for your job. The technology is here, it is insanely capable, and it is just waiting to be utilized as your ultimate professional collaborator. Really, the only missing piece of the giant puzzle at this point is you. So, are you ready to make AI work for your job? Thank you so much for joining me to explore this incredible career transformation tool, and as always, keep learning.